Hi everyone, welcome to Mella's channel. Today we do have here the goddess story NS2M12, and here we have the card pack, same with the card box artwork. And really for this one it will be a portrait mode opening. Like I'm really experimenting on my videos. Like it's also really nice to have it on landscape, but sometimes I find it also charming to watch it on a portrait mode video. And here we do have the rare cards. This goddess story is from Little Frog. And here we do have the SR cards. And for this box, it is the 2U1 card box, which is you got more hits like the SR. Like it's either you could get two SR in a pack or one SR and a SSR, or SR and a higher hit for this card box. And also here we have the rare cards and another rare, and another rare, and we have the SR of Rem. And also, we got the UR of Jingliu. I think we did got the hit of the box. And this UR card is really pretty. And here's the back. Like you could use Google Translate for the information on the back side. Like it's very great that they put the characters profile on the back side. And of course, I do have to leave everything up again. And here, let me just cut this pack. It's actually easier to cut with scissors for these packs than ripping it open. But I am practicing how to rip packs open. So I'll be using scissors and my hands back and forth opening these card packs. And here we have the SCR. Very beautiful SCR. And for the SCR cards, they are on a higher rarity than SR, but not as high as the SSR. Like on the box itself, it is like they are categorized by rare CR card, SR, SCR, SSR, then SER. Then you can also pull a PTR, UR, or MSR. Like the highest rarity you could pull is the MSR card. And we just pulled the UR card. And we do got the SER card. This one is really pretty as well. Like I'm not familiar with all the names for this anime, but I know that they are beautiful and I need to sleeve them up since I really wanted to collect these cards. And also the one that I wanted to get from this NS2M12 is the MSR cards. Like if you have seen the MSR cards on the photos and other videos, like it looks so nice. And for the MSR cards, there is six cards in total to collect. And the one that I'm aiming to get is like Sakura and Tomoyo. And here for the next pack, we have our CR card, rare card, and the SCR card, and also the SR card. And I'll leave it up later so just we could just be faster opening these packs. Let me use scissors this time. I did try opening it by hand, but unfortunately, it didn't work for this pack. And here we have the rare cards, the CR, and we have another rare and SR card. of Kafka, then we have the SR. And for the next pack, here we have a rare, 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 another rare, and SR. And we have Rukia as our SR. And for the next pack, and for the UR cards as well. But I think for this box, we're done since we already got the UR card. So I think the hits that we could pull for this card box would be more on the SCR cards because we already pulled the SER as well. Correct me if I'm wrong. Like, let's see what else we could get for this card box. But that's just my hunch since I'm very raw. We did get the MSR, the one that I really wanted, and it is Sakura and Tomoyo. Oh, I just cannot believe we just pulled that MSR card. Like, I was not hoping to get any more hits since we did get the UR card. But we did get Sakura and Tomoyo. I'm so happy. Oh, of course, I do need to sleep and everything. But here is a little recap for the CR and the rare cards. For the ones that we have pulled, I'm not gonna bore you and look at everything for the CR and rare cards. We're gonna go directly from SR and above. Since I do really like the SR and above, we have Lam, Rem, and we got double of those. We also got the SR of Prushka, Nijika, Rukia, Tonka, Kaguya, Violet, and SR. We have Kafka, Megumi, Yoko, and also for the SCR cards, we have Madoka, Suzuran, Sora, and we have the SCR card. Really beautiful. The SCR are beautiful. The UR card, we have Jingliu, and the MSR of Sakura and Tomoyo. Thank you for watching, everyone. Follow for more.